Today, we're diving into a topic that can seriously change your financial game. Money tricks to save a ton of money. Whether you're saving for a big purchase or just trying to make ends meet, these tips are going to help you keep more cash in your pocket. So make sure you stick around and let's jump right into it. First things first, before we can save money, we need to understand our spending habits. This is a crucial step that's often overlooked. Everyone wants to save money, but how many of us truly know where our money's going? Grab a pen and paper or use a budgeting app, but it's time to get real about your financial behavior. Start by tracking every single expense for at least a month. This includes your bills, groceries, subscriptions, and even those daily coffee runs. The goal here is to create a complete and honest picture of what you're spending on and where your money is flowing. You might be surprised to find out how much those small, seemingly insignificant expenses add up over time. Once you've documented your expenses, it's time to analyze them. Look for patterns in your spending. Are you spending more on takeout than you thought? Is there a subscription you signed up for ages ago that you've completely forgotten about? Recognizing these habits is the first step to changing them. Reviewing your spending habits allows you to determine what expenses are necessary and which ones are more flexible. You may also want to categorize your spending. Break it down into essentials, such as rent, groceries, and utilities, versus non-essentials, such as entertainment and dining out. This categorization will give you a clearer view of where you can potentially cut back. Another useful method is to calculate the percentage of your income spent in each category. This can highlight areas of significant expenditure that you can adjust. For example, if you find that 40% of your income is going to dining out, it might be time to rethink your eating habits. After getting a proper understanding of where your money's going, you can start identifying areas for improvement. Look for opportunities to reduce spending without sacrificing your quality of life. For instance, if grocery bills appear high, consider whether you're buying prepared foods instead of cooking from scratch. If you notice that entertainment costs are excessive, try to find alternative, low-cost activities. Finally, don't forget to revisit your spending habits regularly. Life changes, and so do your financial needs and goals. By continually assessing your spending, you'll stay aware of your financial situation and be able to adapt as needed. Understanding your spending habits is a foundational step in developing long-term financial health. Without this knowledge, it's nearly impossible to implement effective strategies to save money. So take this time to engage with your financial data and get ready to make smarter financial decisions moving forward. Now that you have a clearer understanding of where your money is going, it's time to harness that information into a practical budget. Creating a budget may seem daunting, but it's one of the most effective ways to gain control of your finances and work toward your savings goals. Let's break it down step by step. First, you'll want to outline your monthly income. This is your starting point and includes your salary, side gigs, or any other sources of revenue. Make sure to use your net income, the amount you take home after taxes and deductions, so you're budgeting based on what you have available to spend. Next, let's introduce the 50-30-20 rule, which is an easy-to-follow budgeting method. Under this guideline, you allocate 50% of your income to needs, which include essential expenses like housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Next, 30% goes to wants, which cover non-essential items such as entertainment, dining out, and hobbies. Finally, the remaining 20% should be directed towards savings and debt repayment. This simple structure helps keep your finances balanced and gives priority to both your immediate needs and long-term financial health. Now, if you're someone who prefers a more detailed approach, consider itemizing your expenses in a budgeting spreadsheet. List every expense category you have and assign a budget to each one based on your historical spending. Categories might include groceries, transportation, dining out, entertainment, debt payments, savings, and more. This level of detail allows you to identify specific areas where overspending occurs and adjust accordingly. To make budgeting even easier, consider using budgeting apps. Tools like Mint, Personal Capital, or YNAB, You Need a Budget, can simplify your process by linking directly to your bank accounts and automatically tracking your expenses. These apps can provide you with insights into your spending patterns, help you categorize your expenses, and remind you to stay within your budget. Plus, many come with additional features like goal setting and expense tracking. Next, let's talk about price comparison. In today's digital age, it's easier than ever to find the best deals online. Use price comparison websites or apps to check costs across different retailers before making a purchase. Sometimes the same product can vary significantly in price from one store to another. This simple step could save you a lot of money, especially for larger purchases like electronics or furniture. Take a few minutes to search online before buying, and you'll often find a better deal or discount. Another smart shopping strategy is to take advantage of sales and discounts. Many stores offer seasonal sales, holiday promotions, and clearance events throughout the year. Sign up for newsletters from your favorite retailers to receive timely notifications about upcoming sales and exclusive coupon codes directly in your inbox. However, a crucial point to remember is to only shop during sales for items you need. The allure of a discount can lead to unnecessary purchases, so be discerning. Consider using cashback apps and rewards programs, which can further enhance your shopping experience. Apps such as Rakuten, Ibotta, or Honey allow you to earn cashback or rewards for shopping at participating retailers. These small percentages can add up over time and effectively reduce your overall spending. Additionally, many credit cards offer cashback or points for purchases. Just ensure you pay off the balance each month to avoid interest charges, which could negate your savings. Moving on, it's also important to be mindful of the timing of your purchases. Certain products are cheaper during specific times of the year. For instance, consider shopping for winter clothing at the end of winter or holiday decorations after the festivities are over. Knowing the best times to buy and planning accordingly can lead to significant savings. Research typical sales cycles for items that you frequently purchase and make a note to buy during those times. We should also touch on the benefits of buying in bulk. For non-perishable items, purchasing in larger quantities can save you money in the long run. Stores like Costco or Sam's Club often offer membership options where you can purchase items in bulk at lower prices. However, ensure that you're buying things you will use before they expire. It's a good idea to keep a running list of items that you consistently use so you can stock up when it makes sense. Another effective strategy is to explore secondhand and thrift options. Thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces like eBay or Facebook Marketplace can offer incredible deals on quality items, from clothing to furniture. Not only can you find great bargains, but you're also supporting sustainable shopping practices by giving items a second life. Always check for quality and functionality, but you might be surprised at the treasures you can uncover. Lastly, remember the power of waiting. If you're considering making a large purchase, implement a 24-hour rule. Instead of buying something immediately, wait for a day to see if you still want it. This pause can help you determine whether the item is a want or a need and prevent impulse buying. Often, the urge to buy will diminish after a day of reflection. For lunches, packing your meals can lead to significant savings. Instead of heading out to eat at work or school, prepare and bring your meals. Consider repurposing leftovers from your dinner the night before, or creating meal prep bowls with proteins, grains, and veggies that are ready to go. Not only can this save you money, but it's also often healthier than fast food options. You can control the ingredients and portion sizes, which can contribute to better nutrition. In addition, consider exploring simple and budget-friendly recipes. There are countless online resources and cookbooks dedicated to economical meals that don't sacrifice flavor or nutrition. Focus on ingredients that are both affordable and versatile, such as beans, rice, pasta, seasonal vegetables, and eggs. Meals that use these ingredients can be both filling and economical. Another area to consider is buying in bulk. For staple items like grains, pasta, beans, and spices, buying in larger quantities can result in substantial savings over time. Many grocery stores have bulk bins where you can purchase exactly what you need, which can help reduce waste. Just be sure to store bulk items properly to maintain freshness. Also, don't overlook the potential savings in shopping at different types of grocery stores. Discount stores and local farmers markets can often offer lower prices on fresh produce and groceries compared to larger supermarket chains. Take some time to explore your options and compare prices so you can make informed decisions about where to shop. As a bonus tip, consider taking advantage of coupons and cashback offers for grocery shopping. Many grocery stores provide loyalty programs and digital coupons that can help reduce overall costs. Apps like Ibotta can also offer cash back for qualifying grocery purchases. Before heading to the store, spend a few minutes looking for available promotions and deals. While using coupons requires a bit of effort, the savings can stack up over time. By staying organized, keeping track of your spending, and regularly assessing your needs, you can maximize the benefits of subscription services while minimizing the costs. The goal is to ensure that your subscriptions are an asset to your life rather than an unnecessary burden on your finances. With a conscientious approach, you can enjoy the comforts and conveniences of subscription services without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We all want to save money, and these tricks can help everyone. Have you tried any of these strategies before? Or do you have your money-saving tips? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you and sharing ideas. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical, money-saving tips, financial advice, and a ton of other helpful content. Hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an update.